Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix queued emails not sending in Gmail. So to get started, go to the top left and press the three lines. You need to scroll down here and go and find settings. In your settings, you need to go and tap on the account. This is happening with go and then scroll down, and you need to go and find the option for sync Gmail. There you can go and unselect it like so and press OK. Next, what you want to do is come out of Gmail. We're going to go and tap and hold the side button on your phone, and we're going to go and restart it. Go and press that again and wait for your device to restart. When it starts, go and open up Gmail like so. Go to the top left and press the three lines. Scroll down and press settings. Go and find your account again and scroll down and find sync Gmail, and you need to go and enable it like so. And then what we can do is press the lines at the bottom and we can go and close it and open it again. Hopefully now the queued emails in your outbox should go and send. If they don't go to your outbox and try sending them, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.